Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we got a 2025 Ram 3500 Mega Cab. So for the suspension on this kit, we went with our 5 to 6 inch. New for 2025 is our new adjustable radius arms. The kit also comes with our steering stabilizer kit that features our Kelderman shocks. We've also got the tuned Kelderman shocks they're made up in Minnesota by Raptor, all billet internals. We've got the valving dialed right in for these airbags. The ride on this thing is fantastic. The rear suspension is our traditional Kelderman 4-link. We've been doing this 4-link, believe it or not, for almost 25 years. It's crazy to think. We run a large sway bar on this, so with the higher center of gravity vehicle, the large sway bar is going to give this truck, believe it or not, a sports car handling. So the big sway bar is going to give you amazing handling when you're empty, and it's also giving you that stability you need when you're pulling your race car trailer, construction trailer, whatever you're putting behind this truck. The wheel and tire combination are 26-inch American Force, and the tire size is a 37 by 13.5 by 26. The control package on this truck is our 3H system by Airlift. We run dual via air compressors. We have 2 3-gallon tanks. We make all our tanks in-house now. We've got a dryer on this. It's going to keep the moisture out in the winter so we won't have any freezing up. So we mount the 3H control panel right here where the sunglasses case usually comes. Most people don't use that, so we make this little 3D printed piece. It's got some lines in it, it's got some different texture in it, so it makes it look like it's an OEM part of the truck. Perfect for when you're hooking up your trailers. You can back up, get your trailer on, you tap your center airlift button a few times, and it goes right back to ride height. We also have a purge button down here. Hit that button, just like a semi, it blows the air out. We put that right here. There's a little access panel right under the headlights, just a little square piece. We pop that out, drill a hole, put our purge button in, and you'll hit that a couple times a day. Just going to keep the moisture out. This truck's going out to Colorado. Obviously, you've got the mountains out there. You got some of the most beautiful scenery in the United States. But what's the guy's going to enjoy the most about this is carving through the mountains. The handling on this truck's amazing. Keep your eye out for it. If you see it, you're going to pull over, check it out, because you're not going to miss it. Thanks again for watching our video. We really appreciate it. You can follow us on our social media platforms listed right here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Most importantly, hit that bell so you won't miss another video. If you want to watch our last video, click on the link in the description below. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.